तो आज हम जो चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है मैट्रिक्स, अलजेब्रा ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। नाउ व्हाट इज मैट्रिक्स? व्हाट डू यू से मैट्रिक्स क्या होती है? सपोज इफ यू वांट टू अरेंज any four elements, this element, these four elements. Now what will be the possible order to arrange these four elements? First is, if it is arranged in one row, it means there are one row and four columns. So we will write like this, 1 into 4, or you can say 1 by 4. So this is the matrix. If we say if this element are arranged in one row and four column, then this matrix is of order 1 into 4. Suppose again these four elements are arranged in two rows like this. These are the four elements, and if we arranging like this, so this is known as a matrix of order 2 into 2. So here there are two rows and two columns. And suppose if we are arranging all the four elements in one column, so this will be like this. So this will be equal to 4 into 1. So this is matrix is order of 4 into 1. 4 into 1 means there are 4 rows and 1 columns. So how will you define the matrix? A set of mn numbers. Now these numbers must be real or imaginary. Real or imaginary. If these numbers are must be real or imaginary. Then if arranged in a form of arranged in the form of rectangular array of m rows and n columns is called m into n matrix. Now here m into n is called order of matrix. M into n, this is known as order of matrix, where m is equal to number of rows and n equal to number of columns. So this is the order of matrix, m equal to number of rows and n equal to number of columns. For example, construct a 2 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by aij equal to I minus 3j upon 2. Now in this case we have to construct a 2 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by aij equal to I minus 3j upon 2. Now 2 into 3 matrix means there will be 2 rows and how many columns? 3 columns. So 2 rows and 3 columns. Suppose this will be A12, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Now this is a matrix of order 2 into 3. Here there is 2 rows and 3 columns. So the matrix order is 2 into 3. Now first find A11. Now what will be the A11? I is 1 and j is also 1 here. So 1 minus 3 upon 2. So this will be equal to minus 2 upon 2. So this is equal to minus 1. So the first element A11 is minus 1. Now A12, here I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So this will be equal to 1 minus 6 upon 2. So we can write minus 5 by 2. Similarly A13. So here I is equal to 1 and j is 3. So this will be 1 minus 9 by 2. So this will be equal to minus 4. So these are the elements of first row, A11, A12, A13. Now A21, second row, first column. So I is 2 and j is 2. Sorry, j is 1. So this will give you minus 1 by 2. Now A22. Now I is 2 and j is 2 here. So this will be equal to minus 4 by, so this will be equal to minus 2. And last element A23. So A23 means the first I is 2 and j is 3. So this will be equal to 2 minus 9 means minus 7 by 2. So what will be the matrix? So matrix A will equal to, so therefore matrix A will equal to minus 1, minus 5 by 2, minus 4, here minus 1 by 2, minus 2 and minus 7 by 2. Now this matrix is of order 2 into 3. This is the matrix of order 2 into 3. So there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So this will be the type of the problem which will be asked in the examination. First type of problem on matrix. If general elements are given to you, then you have to find the matrix. Now second, now we will discuss about the type of the matrices. कि matrix के कितने type होते हैं? What will be the type of the matrix? Write down types of matrices. Types of matrices. Now first, this is row matrix. Row matrix. Now what will be the row matrix? A matrix which has only one row. ऐसी मैट्रिक्स जिसमें सिर्फ एक रो होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं रो मैट्रिक्स. A matrix which has only one row, is called row matrix. A matrix which has only one row is called row matrix. एक रो कॉलम कितनी भी हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. There will be only one row, so this will be called as row matrix. For example, like this. Suppose minus 3, 2, 5, 1. So how many rows are there? 1. And column is 4. Now this is known as row matrix. This is called row matrix. Now second, column matrix. Column. Now what will be the column matrix? Again the same definition. A matrix which has only one column is called column matrix. A matrix which has only one column is called column matrix. Again example, suppose we are taking any matrix B which has only one column like this. Suppose 6, 7, 3, 2. So how many rows are there? 4. And column is 1. So it is known as column matrix. Because there is only one column, so it is known as column matrix. Now third, जो third टाइप की मैट्रिक्स है, दिस इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स क्या होती है वो समझते हैं हम कि ऐसी मैट्रिक्स जिसमें नंबर ऑफ रोज और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम सेम होती है, देन इट विल बी नोन एज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. सो द डेफिनेशन फॉर दिस मैट्रिक्स विल बी अ मैट्रिक्स इन व्हिच number of rows, a matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns, then it is called square matrix of order n. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns, then it is called a square matrix of order n. For example, A equal to, so minus 3, 5, 4, 2, 7, 8, 6, 1, 3. So how many rows are there? 3. And column 3. So this is a square matrix of order 3. A square matrix of order 3. Now next type of matrix. Now this is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Now diagonal matrix is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix in which all elements are 0. In which all elements are 0 except the diagonal element. Except the diagonal elements. Or Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to j. So this is the definition of diagonal matrix. It is a square matrix in which all elements are 0 except the diagonal element, or we can say Aij equal to 0 if I equal to j. For example, suppose this element, this is first row, first column, 3. Now this is 1, 2, first row, second column, so this element will be 0. Again this element will be 0. Suppose this element will be 0. For example, this element is minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 4. Now this matrix is called diagonal matrix. This matrix is called diagonal matrix because all the elements except the diagonal element, these are the diagonal elements. These are the diagonal elements, so all the elements are 0 except the diagonal element, so it is known as diagonal matrix. It is also written as or we can write like this: DIAG, diag A, 3 minus 6, 4. If we write diag A equal to all the elements of diagonal element, it means it is understood that this is a square matrix of order 3 into 3 because there are 3 elements and these are the diagonal elements. So it is known as diagonal matrix. Now fifth. Now after this diagonal matrix, we will discuss about scalar matrix. कि scalar matrix होता क्या है? Again, scalar matrix is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix in which, if you write like this, Aij equal to 0, if I is not equal to j, and Aij equal to k, if I is equal to j, where k is any number, either real or imaginary, where k is any number, then it is called scalar matrix. Then it is called scalar matrix. For example, A equal to, if we write like this, 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, then this will be a scalar matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. Now next, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Now what will be the identity matrix? If we define identity matrix, then a square matrix in which Aij equal to 0 if I is not equal to j, and Aij equal to 1 if I equal to j, then it is called identity matrix. Identity matrix I. For example, I2. Now I2 will be like this: 1 0 0 1. This will be the identity matrix of 2 into 2 order. I3. So this will be equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So this is a identity matrix of order 3, I3. Now these are the type of the matrix which we will use in this chapter. Now we come to the next topic: equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. How we equate two matrices? Equality of matrices. Now we will say two matrix A and B, two matrix A and B are said to be equal, if first number of rows equal to number of rows in A. Number of rows in A equal to number of rows in B. Second, number of columns in A equal to number of columns in B. and third, corresponding elements are same. Corresponding elements are same. For example, if A equal to -1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 1, then B will be equal to again -1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Then we can say A equal to B. A equal to B. अब इस पर किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स बनती है वो देख लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, A plus B 2, 5 AB. Now this is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Then find the values of A and B. तो हमें A और B की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो कैसे होगा बेटा, देखते हैं. A plus B 2, 5 AB equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. और यदि हम इसको इक्वेट करते हैं करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को, और A plus B का करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट क्या है, 6. So we'll write A plus B equal to 6. This will be the first equation. And AB का corresponding element क्या है, 8. Now A plus B is equal to 6 and AB equal to 8. Now from AB we can write B equal to 8 by A. Now substitute in equation 1. So it will become A plus 8 by A equal to 6. Or we can say A square plus 8A equal to 6A. A square minus 8A, A square minus 6A plus 8 equal to 0. So what will be the factor for this? The factor will be 4 and 2. So this will become A minus 4 and A minus 2 equal to 0. So A equal to 4 or A equal to 2. Now if A equal to 4, then B will become 2. Or when A equal to 2, the B will become 4. So what will be the value of A and B? So A equal to 4, B equal to 2, then B equal to 2. If A equal to 2, then B equal to